Hi guys, Miss Davis here. Today we're talking about Module 5, Lesson 6. And in this lesson, we're talking about being able to create composite shapes from three-dimensional shapes and describe the composite shape using shapes, names, and their positions. So looking at this, again we're talking about Tom's thinking, and we're looking at what Tom did and see what he did and what he did that was well and what he did that needed a little bit of improvement. So if we look, he put two cylinders on the bottom, and he put two rectangular prisms on top. Now, one thing that we know for sure is that a cylinder we know has two circular faces. Now remember, faces mean that they are flat. That is the flat part. Because there's two flat pieces, and then another side that is circular. So we know that cylinders can actually roll whenever it's on that circular side, or that curved side. So if you look at what Tom did, he put these cylinders on that circular side. Whenever we know that if we would actually do that in real life, these cylinders would roll and they would fall apart. So we know that would not be a good thing to do. So what he needs to do is that he needs to put the flat faces on top, kind of like what I'm doing here, to where it can hold it, to where the flat piece will be touching the rectangular prism and the other flat pieces will be touching the table or the floor or the other surface, to make sure that it does not roll and it can't mess up. Okay, so that's one thing that was very important whenever we were doing our lesson, is that we had to make sure that it would stay and it wouldn't roll. Okay? All right, that is it for this video.